How to create a Discord guild tag. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. On the left side, click on the server you want to create a Discord guild tag in. Right click on it and then go to server settings. Scroll down in here and search for guild tag. If you don't have the option, it will come soon. But if you have the option, you can choose the game you and your guild play together. Then select the playstyle of your guild. You can choose between the followings as shown on screen. Then choose the type of demographic you want to recruit to your guild. Then tell people what your guild talks about. You can write the descriptions for your guild as well, like a bio. After that, create a guild tag and badge that members will wear all over Discord to rep your guild. Then customize your guild brand even further by selecting a banner color scheme or using the eyedropper tool to pick two colors. You can also select the banner style and pick between the followings. Then set up an application for users interested in joining your guild. After that, you're done. Sign the charter and your guild is now created. This is how to create a Discord guild tag. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.